On this beautiful sunny morning, we are welcoming Andy Parker of Elusive Brewing. Andy, welcome to the Malt Miller.
Dan, it's good to be back.
Why are you here?
Well, we've got a homebrew competition to judge, haven't we, Rob?
So the competition's been really popular. We've had a load of entries. What's the basis of the competition, Andy?
Well, we started it last year, and it was for our 5th birthday. And the idea was to kind of looking at back how Elusive started. We got started through a homebrew competition that the Craft Beer Co ran, and I wanted to kind of pay that forward and help another homebrewer with ambitions to go pro along that journey. So we ran a competition last year. We specified you had to brew a Belgian wit.
It was my favourite style.
We now hate Belgian wit. No more Belgian wit. So we judged 120 Belgian wits last year.
Yeah.
And Sam Jones was the winner. And with Fraser Withers, they started Middle Child Beer.
It was fantastic. What a massive springboard to the starting of their commercial brewery. And actually, they're going from strength to strength. We're selling their beers now.
Yeah.
Their beers are getting into various different places. So that's been a fantastic result.
Yeah, definitely. Like, they already had plans and we're starting to accumulate kit.
Yeah.
But what we did was we got them to come down, they brewed a beer to their recipe. We branded it with their branding and it launched as part of their range. And
wow, fantastic.
we helped to get their beer all over the country, which is fantastic.
So the premise of the competition is on American style beers. What actually are we looking at, Andy?
Yeah, so for our 6th birthday, we're learning from last year, not confining everyone to one style. It's allowed them to get a bit more creative. So we specified something West Coast inspired, which gives you obviously quite a broad range of styles.
Awesome. So we've got everything from pales to West Coast dippers.
Yep, through to reds, black IPAs, American brown. So a nice wide range of things to judge.
Okay, let's go and see what we got.
Let's find out. Hello, is that June?
Yeah, speaking.
Hi, it's Andy at Elusive Brewing here.
Hi, Andy. How are you?
Good. How you doing?
Yeah, I'm okay.
So today we've been judging the West Coast homebrew competition down at the Malt Miller.
Yeah.
And I'm here with the guys from Malt Miller now, and we're filming what you say, so don't swear. But congratulations, you won. You were the overall winner. Congratulations.
Really?
Yep.
Yeah.
Well done, Jen. Well done, mate. Yes.
Nice,
thank you so much, guys.
Yeah, we loved your beer. I loved the real kind of sticky resin. That's what I was looking for all day long.
Man.
And yeah, you really nailed it.
Okay, so it's 5:05 now. We started at 10:10.
Yeah, 10 a.m. this morning.
Okay, so we've drunk a lot of beer.
We have.
Our general thoughts about the entries, what do we think?
I mean, it took a while to whittle things down. I think there's a lot we learned from it in terms of how homebrewers can improve upon fermentation and packaging.
Yeah.
It's quite a tricky style to get right, or a range of styles to get right. You want the big punchy resin, the big bitterness, nice and clean.
So we had quite a lot of problems with distill.
Yeah, for sure.
So obviously this style is, like as you say, quite tricky to get right, and distill is one of those things that's going to absolutely smash you straight in the face if it is present in the beer. And we did have quite a few entries with that issue.
We did.
Also, we're seeing packaging issues. So a lot of people are packaging from keg into bottle, and we're seeing some sort of oxidation issues and final packaging issues. So that's another way that we can start educating our customers and homebrewers to taking diacetyl out and how to package to minimize oxidization and promote that absolute mega hop flavor that we were really looking for in a West Coast
But then that said, we had some incredible beers.
Oh mate, honestly, it was absolutely fantastic. We had a complete range. So like black IPAs, red IPAs, like the whole range of beers.
That final flight was like West Coast IPA. We had the American Red, the double black IPA.
Exactly that.
Yeah, some really good beers in that final flight. And
actually, what an exciting competition to judge, because you can actually see those people that are really, really gunning to win the competition. And what a prize. Talk to us about it, Andy.
Yeah, I mean, the winning beer will brew professionally and give the winning brewer an opportunity to if they want our sport to go professional or any support around it. And on that note, I mean, that winning beer was incredible.
Yeah, it was absolutely incredible. And that's just a testament to fresh ingredients and people that are absolutely at the top of their game and producing world-class beers that actually you can be really, really proud of.
Let's talk about that winning beer because it was pretty special, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So congratulations to June Chung.
June. And he's been a customer for such a long time as well. It just that was great to find out. You know, we tested a flight of beers, and then we know nothing about who's entered them.
Yeah.
And actually, boom, June.
So it was a 7.2% West Coast Rye IPA.
Yeah.
We talked early on. It stood out in the first round. We was on our flight, Rob, and
yeah.
That kind of resin, slight spicy kick to it. And June told us he went with the kit, the Lallemand West Coast Ale yeast, the Strata, and just threw loads of like Chinook Centennial, big old-fashioned West Coast hops in there.
What really stood out was the pininess, though. It had that resin, that really pininess, so which massively you want in a West Coast beer. So
well done, incredible.
How do we sum up? Thank you very much for being part of the competition and part of the judging, and it's been an absolute delight.
No, thank you for hosting again, Rob, and all the logistics. The Malt Miller, they know what to do with logistics, and it was fantastic.
Sorted.
And I can't wait to get June down to brew with us. So well done.
Cheers.
Cheers.